What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. If you are new here, my name is Alethea and I'm coming to unbox this HelloFresh box. Now let me just tell y'all, it is 7:26 and this man just got here at 7:22 with this box, and I've been waiting on it all day, and they told me it was gonna get here by 4:30, but it did not get here by 4:30. So I have been wanting to order from HelloFresh for a while. I thought about doing Blue Apron. I just wanted to try one of the meal delivery services, but P kept saying, well, let's wait. So this time, let me tell you what I did. I just went on my own. I didn't seek, let's see what we're gonna get. Do you want to try it now? None of that. I just went ahead and ordered, so she just has to deal with it. The reason why I wanted us to do the box together is because we are both picky eaters, and picky eaters on different levels. You know what I mean? So anyway, the meals I got this week are meals for 4 people. Now, my daughter, she goes with my mom a lot, and she was at home, and I thought, okay, well, let me get the meals for 4 people, so then that way, and then my mom was over here, so I was like, you know, we'll have enough for all 4 of us. But they went to my mom's apartment yesterday, so now it's just me and P here. So we're just gonna have whatever we eat tonight, and then we'll have it for dinner tomorrow, and then possibly lunch. So, and this box is quite heavy. It is quite heavy, so let's see what we got. So when I open it up, this little paperwork is in here, so I don't know what's in here. It just says hello delicious meals, and on the inside, exclusive treat for you, for some company, another company, okay, some coupons. All right, so this is what I got. Okay, so when I first ordered, I ordered the 3 different meals, and one of the meals turned out to be like a gourmet meal, which was like $5.99 per serving. So they took one amount out of me, and then they took one amount out of my account, and then a couple of days later they had drafted for another account because of me getting the gourmet meals. And I called and I changed it because I'm like, no, I don't want to do the upgrade, whatever it is. So what I got, this was not one that I initially chose. I ended up changing to this one after I made the mistake. Shrimp and zucchini ribbons with basil oil over jasmine rice. The 610 calorie meal. The next one is cherry ancho chicken with roasted carrots and scallion rice, and this one is a 700 calorie dish. And then the last one is the creamy chive salmon, and this is about melted. It's a little bit of hardness in there, but it's pretty much melted. Don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. All right, so this one is the creamy chive and salmon bag. Then I have the cherry ancho chicken and the shrimp zucchini ribbons. So let's see what's in. Let's go ahead and open these up. Creamy chive salmon, a zucchini, and then another zucchini, some chives, 2 lemons, 4 little packets of sour cream, Dijon mustard, and what is this? Veggies, creamy chive. Okay, so this must be the veggie stock. All right, and then got a bad potato. Yeah. So here are the potatoes. All right, and then we have the cherry ancho chicken. We have some scallions. All these carrots. Jasmine rice. The jasmine rice. Remember, I got for 4 people. The jam spread, the cherry jam, ancho chili powder, 1 lemon, and the chicken demi-glaze. So technically, because they have it split for 4 people and I can split it down the middle, I don't have to cook it all at one time. But I don't know. I'm gonna see what P says when she comes down, and then we'll decide whether or not I'm going to cook the 1 meal and then put it up, or cook enough for the 1 meal and then we'll eat leftovers tomorrow, because there's nothing wrong with eating leftovers. Okay, so then we have shrimp and zucchini ribbons. Once again, some scallions, zucchini. Oh, this is so cute. Extra virgin olive oil, 2 of them. These are so cute. Jasmine rice, 2 lemons, Oddly enough, only, well, I guess they figure you don't need that many chili flakes, so I can't split this in half because if it's only 1 pack, so chili flakes. Oh, and notice how I'm using pronouns now. Okay, so then take this out. Oh, now this piece of ice is hard. Oh, what do we have? The white shrimp. Oh, 2 white shrimps. So you take it out of the paper and it's here and it's already thawed out. So, and shrimp is the quickest to cook, so we may do the shrimp tonight since it's already late. And we're normally sitting down for dinner about this time unless we go out, and which we haven't done that in a while. All right, and so then we have the Atlantic salmon. So this is not frozen either, but here's the Atlantic salmon, and I'm not going to open these up though. And then we have the chicken cutlets and 2 more ice blocks. All right, y'all, so here are the plated meals. I don't have the scallions to put on top because I kind of cooked them all in the rice, but this is what it looks like, all plated up. These are our plates we're about to eat, and I think we did okay. I mean, of course our servings are not the size of these servings, but yeah, I think I did okay.